Hi everyone, me again, Henry, Lantis Electronics. I just want to quickly make a short video on turntable terminology, because I still have people that don't know what a cartridge is and don't know what the tone arm is and don't know what a stylus is. So this is the tone arm, this is the cartridge, and the stylus fits into the cartridge. So the plastic part that goes on the front of the cartridge is the stylus. So you've got your tone arm has got a counterweight right at the back. Then you've got the arm, some of them has got the head shell where the cartridge mounts on. So you get the cartridge mounts onto the head shell with the two screws through the top. This is called the platter, but I'm just want to concentrate on the arm because that's where most of the confusion is. Once you've got that, it makes it a lot easier, because I get a lot of calls where people are looking for a cartridge and they're actually looking for a stylus, or vice versa. I thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.